Today is September 2, 2022, and I am Tony the Bull, back with another technical analysis update for News BTC. In today's episode, we are going to look at the weekly time frame on Bitcoin in anticipation of the weekend and the weekly close. Bitcoin price has been following a fractal from the bear market bottom. Next, I'll show you the signs we are looking for to confirm a buy signal and possibly give us a bottom. Interestingly, the Relative Strength Index has a similar setup as well. For a buy signal, the RSI must make a higher high and breach the drawn black line. I've also turned on the RSI moving average in blue to highlight how the indicator has held above it, much like the last crypto winter. We are also waiting for a bullish crossover of the weekly LMACD. Momentum has fallen to the same level as the last bear market bottom. Price and both indicators are potentially nearing a breakout of downtrend resistance, which could produce a bullish move. If a bottom forms here, there is potential for an important trend line holding. The trend line doesn't seem very important until zooming out to monthly time frames. On the monthly, it is currently supporting the entire trend since 2018 on a candle close basis. The trend line holding could give us a potential hidden bullish divergence on both the RSI and LMACD. Given the number of bearish signals from yesterday's video, this is a bull's best hope for a reversal. Zooming into the daily, we can see how the trend line has interacted with price action in the past on lower time frames. But it all comes down to this weekend and next week, in my opinion. To give us a feel for how the next 3 days might perform, which includes today and our weekend, I'm switching to the 3-day time frame. Taking a moment for education, this is exactly how you would interpret various time frames. If you want to know how an asset may perform months from now, pay closer attention to the monthly time frame, for example. The 3-day appears ready to diverge upward according to the LMACD. The RSI downtrend resistance continues to narrow, giving the indicator little room but down or right through it. A subjectively drawn downtrend channel could suggest that we've broken out of the downtrend, retested it, and are ready to move up. On weekly time frames, the channel and retest is a little bit more clear to the eye. I realize that everyone is skeptical about a bottom. I am too, but I recall this exact type of sentiment and negative thinking the last time these signals were firing on weekly time frames. Recency bias can lead investors to incorrectly think a trend will go on forever. At times like these, we can turn towards cyclical tools to see if there is any rhythm or rhyme to where the market had bottomed in the past. Across price, RSI, and LMACD, there is no denying the visible cyclical behavior. There's no denying that Bitcoin is faced with its riskiest environment yet. However, we could be looking at one of the most favorable setups in terms of reward in a very long time. That's it for today's analysis. I'm Tony the Bull Spilotro signing off. Self-education is the best investment you can make. Remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and check out newsbtc.com.